In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signatures using DocuSign via Google Chrome. Whether you're new to digital document management or simply need a quick refresher on using DocuSign, this guide will walk you through every essential step with ease and clarity. Let's begin by opening up Google Chrome, your trusted web browser. It's important to make sure you're up to date with any updates, as this ensures a smooth and secure experience while using DocuSign. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the DocuSign website and log into your account. If you're not yet a DocuSign customer, you'll need to sign up for an account before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right section of your dashboard and locate the New Envelope option. Selecting this will take you to a workspace where you can upload the document that requires signatures. Click Upload to browse your files and choose the document that needs signing. Ensure the document is in a supported format like PDF or Word to avoid any hitches. With your document uploaded and ready to go, the next step is to add recipients. Carefully enter the email addresses of everyone who will be involved in the signing process. Remember that precision here is key, as any errors could delay the signing or mar communication. If you've got multiple recipients, DocuSign allows you to set a specific signing order. This means you can determine who should sign first, second, and so on by numbering them in the desired sequence. This can be particularly useful in ensuring a systematic and logical flow, especially in formal business transactions. Once the signing order is established, it's time to place signature fields. For each recipient, drag and drop a signature field onto the document in the places where they need to sign. This feature provides visual clarity within the document, guiding each signer to their designated areas without confusion. Consider double-checking that each field is aligned with the correct recipient to preempt any potential errors or miscommunications. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your envelope. Carefully go through the document to confirm that all the information is correct, fields are properly placed, and recipients added correctly. This review step is crucial in maintaining professionalism and prevents the need for future corrections or recalls. Feeling satisfied with your setup? Perfect. You're now ready to send your envelope out for signatures. Good job on being one step closer to a seamless digital document management experience. Enjoy the efficiency and convenience DocuSign brings, and know that your transactions are safely underway. With these steps, you've mastered the process of sending documents for signature, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and happy DocuSigning.